So, the most positive thing we can say about the Z Fold 6 is this right here. This is kind of sad. The Samsung Z Fold 6 finally lets you add a fingerprint while the display is closed. So this has been kind of something that's kind of being annoying a little bit. I wouldn't say it's that annoying in all honesty. You had to open up the display to add your fingerprint to the actual phone. You couldn't do it while it was closed, like on the cover display. And it finally is fixed. Well, kinda. With the Z Fold 6, you can technically do it. You just can't do it when you are first setting up your phone, which is probably when you want to most likely use it. Yeah, this is it's fantastic, guys. You heard me correctly. When you do add a fingerprint to the display, you can do it to the outside display and add the fingerprint, which, you know, you just click on the home button a couple times. But it has to be after you set up the phone. If you try to do this while you're setting up the phone, it's not going to work. It's going to say, nope, not doing it, sorry, can't do it. But the second you set up the phone, then it's open season. You can do as many as you want, and there's no problem at all. So it's like they fixed the problem, but not really fixing the problem. They found a solution to the issue, but didn't completely fix the issue. Which, Z Fold 6, guys, right? Hey, guys, Z Fold 6 is, upgrade. This is the upgrade I'm talking about, boys. This is the upgrade that you pay money for. Because you get the ability to do a function that really should have been fixed a long time ago. This is an $1,800 phone, and this has been a problem for multiple years. Samsung, you're not Microsoft. If this was Microsoft, I would say, yeah, I expected this. And I would also say I expect it never to be fixed. Or they're going to fix it, but it's going to be so long down the line, no one's going to remember it. Samsung, you got to get this fixed, like, quickly. Like, this is kind of getting bad now. Especially because of the fact that this does work now on the Z Fold 6. It actually is now fixed. It needs to be fixed. As previously with every prior affordable phone, Samsung requires to open a device, add a new fingerprint, whether or during or after setup. This was still in place at the Z Fold 5. Yeah. So please, Samsung, you're not Microsoft. Just fix your mistakes. You know, fix the bugs and glitches. This is probably a major one, mainly because this is the security of your phone. And I know, you could just add it afterwards. I spent $1,800 on a cell phone. I'm not adding it afterwards. I don't know. Give me a polished product. That's what I'll try to say. See you guys in the next one.